flowers in the sunny field. One by one they start to yield. Now there's four, now there's three. How many flowers are here?
I say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, none.
Four little flowers in the morning light. One by one they bloom so bright. Now there's three, now there's two. How many flowers are here?
4, 3, 2, 1, none.
Three little flowers in the sunny field. One by one they start to yield. Now there's two, now there's one. How many flowers are here?
3, 2, 1, none.
Two little flowers in the warm sun's glow. One by one they start to grow. Now there's one, now there's none. How many flowers are here?
2, 1, none.
One little flower in the soft spring rain, growing strong and ready again. Now there's two, now there's three. How many flowers are here?
1, 2, 3.
No little flowers in the sunny field. All have bloomed and joy they yield. But wait, watch now, a new flower appears. How many flowers are here?
9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five little flowers in the sunny field, blooming bright, their colors reveal. Now they stand